Alright, what's up y'all? Today is day 3 of the photo challenge and
the home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And today's challenge is rule of thirds. I'm going to be using my little Mavic Air 2 here to get my photo. I just wanted to show this little clip here of how I'm getting my shot. Alright, here we go. Alright, so I have the drone behind the camera right here and I'm gonna lift it up off the ground, but I'm gonna go ahead and record on here too. But before I do that, let me see if I have any space left. 7 gigs, good enough. Make sure 40K 60. I mean, I'm not even using the video. Maybe. You know what? I am. I'm gonna do something with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and record it, and we are gonna take off here right now.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we go. Damn, dude. Woo. Sometimes I forget like how beautiful my area looks, man. So I'm planning to do a shot of my neighborhood here and get a shot of the tower. Let's see, we far enough? No. No, we ain't. I don't know why it's lagging so much. Oh shit. No. Go up.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Okay, so that's as high as it can go. Then what I'm gonna do is, I forgot to build buildings right there. Alright, here you go. I got my shot, you guys. I'm gonna use the tower as my 1/3. Oh, this is the shot right here. Got him.